wondered how you could help your clients prepare to sell their home? Whether they're upsizing or whether they're downsizing, we all know how stressful that can be. I'm Julie Stevens and I'm an interior designer, home stager, organiser, declutterer, property stylist, working with many clients over the years that I've had my business and helping them to sell their homes and create their happy homes when they've got their new home. I trained in the art of home staging way back in 2007 with Anne Maurice, who, if you're old enough, you may remember had a TV programme here in the UK called House Doctor. And she really pioneered home staging into the UK market. The art of home staging is about bringing all the elements of design together to ensure that the people viewing the home actually walk in and go, "Ah, I'm home." We don't want them to go, "Wow." We want them to go, "Ah." It's a very different emotion. So if you join me at the APDO conference, Time for Change, I'm going to be running a workshop on how to understand the art of home staging. I will share with you the 7 secrets to successful selling. Forward to seeing you there.